The journal report is the most detailed report of all reports within SoftLedger. It's accessible from the left panel under Reports. And when it first loads, it'll load chronologically from oldest to newest. But all these columns are sortable. So if you journals, you can click into the date fields. And wherever you see blue highlight text within here, you can click into it as well to get more detailed information. This opens up the journal modal for that particular journal number. But if you did want to filter reports further, you can use the quick filters and select which field to filter. So if I wanted to filter for a particular ledger, like the AR subledger and the AP subledger, I can make multiple selections, and as I make them, you can see the table refreshing behind it. You can also add multiple filter lines. And then once you're happy with any kind of filters you have, you can save them as views by clicking this plus icon here. You can name the view. So this would be AR and AP subledger, and then hit save. Then whenever you come back to the reports, you're able to access those views from the view box in the top left. So I'll access a previously created one here, and it'll load based on those filters. And if I wanted to edit what I have in those filters, I can click the edit icon, rename it, add more filters, and hit save. And then once I'm happy with the report, I can always export to Excel, where it can be manipulated further. And for any more information on the journal report, you can always access our support guides accessible within the chat widget, such as journal report.